The Philippines' first Catholic Mass.
Limasawa Island, an island municipality in southern Leyte, is a small yet flourishing town being the site of first Christian Mass in the country and in Asia. The first cross and the first Mass shrine are some of the frequently visited spots that gives the tourist a rare experience of retracing the historical footsteps of the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, who paved the way for the beginning of Christianity in the country. Masao or Butuan. In 1872, a monument to commemorate the site of the first Mass in the Philippines was erected in Butuan. In 1953, the people in Butuan asked the Phil Historical Committee to rehabilitate and construct a place marker on the site.
Historical recount. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer leading a Spanish expedition, had landed on the island of Limasawa, now part of southern Leyte in the Visayas region. The first Mass in the Philippines took place on March 31, 1521, on Easter Sunday. The Mass was held on the shore under a makeshift altar erected by the expedition. Father Pedro de Valderrama, the fleet's chaplain, officiated the service, marking the first documented Roman Catholic Mass in the Philippines and a significant moment in the nation's history. The service began with hymns and prayers, followed by the celebration of the Eucharist. Magellan and his crew knelt in devotion, while the locals, unfamiliar with the Catholic rites, observed curiously. After the service, a wooden cross was erected on the island to mark the occasion, symbolizing both the presence of Christianity and the start of Spanish colonization.